Good morning, all of you. In last class, I said about how to express standard form and usual form. How to convert from standard form to usual form to standard form. Now, we'll do some more problems and then we'll go to the next exercise. Okay. Now, some problems are express the following in the usual form. So, they given here the question is 4.67. First question, 4.67 into 10 to the power of 4. So what is this means? It is standard form. It is standard form, 4.67 into 10 to the power of 4. What you have to do? You have to convert it into usual form. Conversion from standard form to usual form. Okay, how we have to do? We'll see it. Now 4.67 I am writing as it is here into 10 power 4. So 10 power 4, if I want to give you example here, see 10 power 1 means 10 only. 10 square. 10 square is nothing but a square means a into a, 10 into 10. 10 tens are how much here? 100. Now 10 cube, if I write 10 cube here, 10 into 10 into 10. So it becomes 1000. Okay, 10 power 4. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So you are getting here 1. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Means it becomes 10,000. What you are observing, 10 power whatever number is there, that many zeros and 1 will come. That's it. 10 power 1. So 1 0. 10 square. 1 and 2 zeros. 10 cube. 1 and 3 zeros, like that. Now, by understanding this one, we'll come to here. 10 power 4 means 1 and 4 zeros. So it is 10,000. 4.67, how we can write? 467 divided by 100 into 10,000. Now two zeros cancelled. 467 into 100. It is very easy how to do multiplication. 467 into 100 means 2 zeros you have to add for this one. So it becomes 46,700. So 4.67 into 10 to the power of 4, I converted into usual form, 46,700. Now for your understanding purpose, I will do one more problem here. That is 1.001 into 10 to the power of 9. Okay, it is given like this. And what you have to do? You have to write into usual form. Now we'll see it how we have to do. So 1.001 as it is I am writing. 10 power 9 means 1 you have to write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros you have to write it. Then next what you have to do? Point after 3 zeros are there. Means point you have to remove. Point after 3 digits are there. 3 zeros and 1. Into 1 after 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. Now 3 zeros cancelled. Means this 1001 you have to write it. Count zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So this is the answer. Okay. So like this you have to convert you have to convert standard form into usual form. So already I said how to convert usual form from usual form to standard form, already I said to you, and some more problems were given in exercises also. Now we'll do some more problems. 24.36 into 10 to the power of minus 3. It is one problem. What you have to do, this it has to be converted into usual form. What I said is 2436 as it is, write down. Otherwise 0.36 write as it is. 10 power minus 3 means what you have to write? 1 by 1000. 1 by 10 cube. A power minus m formula is 1 by a power m. So 1 by 10 cube. 1 by 10 cube means 1000. That's it. Now 24.36, if you remove point, you have to divide with 100 here into 3 zeros. Now multiplication of zeros is easy. In numerator you have 2436 only, but in denominator 5 zeros and 1. Means before 5 digits you have to keep a point. Only you have 4 digits means you have to 5 digit, 5th digit you have to keep 0 here. And this can be written as 0.02436. So 0.02436 is what? It is usual form. So once again I'll explain to you. Listen, 24.36 as it is I written. 10 power minus 3 we can write as 1 by 10 cube. Just now I explained 10 power whatever is there, that many zeros will come. So 3 zeros and 1. 10 cube means 3 zeros and 1. It is there in the denominator. Now point, if you remove 2436 by 100. So 100 and 1000 if you multiply, you are getting a 1 lakh. So 5 zeros are there, 5 digits before you have to keep a point, only 4 digits are there, 5th digit you have to keep 0. So 0.02436 is the actual answer. Now some more problems we'll do, and next problem is size of the bacteria. 0 point, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 zeros. 0.1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros and 4, and m is there here, meters. So what is this? It is size of bacteria. What you have to do, it has to be expressed in standard form. You have to express this into standard form. For this explanation if you want, so 0.15 is there, you have to write 15 by 100. Means point after how many digits are there, that many zeros and 1. That's it. Now come here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros are 7 digits are there here. So 4 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros and 1. Now this becomes 4 by 7 zeros means 10 power 7 only or not, and 4 into 1 by 10 power 7. 1 by a power m formula is what? A to the power of minus m. So you have to write 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7 is a standard form for this one. Once again I'll explain, just listen. 0.4 zeros and 4 is there, 6 zeros and 4 is there. It has to be expressed in standard form. So point after 7 digits are there, 7 zeros and 1, with that you have to divide. 4 by, point will be removed. 4 by 7 zeros and 1 can be written as 10 power 7. 1 by 10 power 7, if it is going to numerator, it becomes 10 power minus 7. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay. Now some more problems are there here, and thickness of a piece of paper, the charge of an electron, distance between moon and the earth. So like this some questions they given, and you have to convert that into standard forms. Okay, so if you want one more, I can say to you, thickness of paper is 0.0016. 0.0016 centimeters is there. What you have to do, it has to be expressed in standard form. It is usual form. So first what I am doing is point after whatever is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. So 16 by 4 zeros and 1. And 16 I am writing as it is. 4 zeros and 1, if you want to write in exponent form, 10 to the power of 4 will come. Again 16, what I am doing is I am multiplying with 10 and I am dividing with 10. So 16 by 10 if I do, I am getting 1.6. This 10 is there in the numerator and 10 power 4 is there in the denominator. This 10 power 4 means 110 will go, means 10 cube will be remainder. So 1.6 into 1 by 10 cube is there here. 1 by 10 cube, this if it is going to numerator, it becomes 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 centimeters. So like this we can convert usual form to standard form. Okay, remaining all questions are same, like that only are there here. One more question, I will read it now just to see. The question is, Rakesh solved, not this one more is there here. Okay, in a pack there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of the pack? So if you understand well, you can do it. In a pack means one parcel is there, already you will purchase from Amazon or something like that, and maybe in that one pack there are 5 books. How many books are there? 5 books are there. Total 5 books are there, each of thickness 20 mm and 5 paper sheets. So in a pack there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm. So one book thickness, one book thickness is how much here? $20 mm. One book thickness is 20 mm. How many books are there? 5 books. 5 books thickness becomes 5 books thickness becomes 5 into 20 mm. Means how much here? 100 mm is there. What is 100 mm? 100 mm is the thickness of 5 books. So not only 5 books, okay, what is there in that pack? Not only 5 books, something is there. What is that? And 5 paper sheets. So you have 5 paper sheets also are there here. Including with 5 books, 5 paper sheets are there. Okay, so each of thickness 0.016 mm. So one paper sheet thickness is, one paper sheet thickness is 0.016 mm. So 5 paper sheets thickness, 5 paper sheet thickness becomes how much? Means 5 into 0.016. So if you multiply 5 6 is 30, 0 3, 5 plus 3 is 8, 0.0. So you are getting 0.080 mm. This is thickness of what here? It is thickness of, very good, it is thickness of 5 paper sheets. But in parcel you have 5 books, 5 paper sheets. So he is asking total thickness. He is asking total thickness of the pack. Total thickness of the pack. total thickness of the pack if you want, thickness of 5 books plus thickness of 5 paper sheets. Okay, thickness of 5 books, how much you got it here? 100 mm. Thickness of 5 paper sheets, how much you got here? 0.08. See, after number, if you have zeros, how many zeros are there also? It is not having any value. So 0.080, 0.08, both are same. How many zeros if you keep also, it won't be varied, means value does not changes. For 100, if you add this one, you are getting 100.08 mm. Now this is not in standard form, it has to be converted into standard form. Means what you have to do, we'll see it. So point has to move 2 digits before or not? Point has to move 2 digits before. So into 100 divided by 100, if you do it, if you take this one only, what becomes 1.0008 into 100, means 1.008 into 10 square. This is the standard form for this one. Okay, why I multiplied with 100, why I divided with 100, if you want to know, point has to move 2 digits before. Means in standard form I said that before point 1 digit only should be there. So you should not write 16 point, 13 point, you should not do 1 point, 4 point, 9 point, like that single digit should be there. So we done like this. Now the last sum which given in this is, so one Rakesh, one person, he done some problems in some manners, whether they are correct or not, you have to check it. Okay, Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Do you agree with the solutions? If not, why? Justify your argument. So the question is x power minus 3 into x power minus 2 is equals to x power minus 6. Who done this one? This was done by one student. What you have to do, it is true or false, you have to write it. So now we'll see it. A power m into a power n, formula is a to the power of m plus n. So I am taking only LHS. What is LHS? X power minus 3 into x power minus 2. So bases are equal, you are multiplying it, powers must be added. You have to write power one time and powers must be added. So minus 3 plus minus 2 means plus after you have to keep brackets. This minus 3 also, if you want, you can keep in the brackets. X power plus into minus is how much? Minus. X power minus 3 minus 2. If both are having same symbol, that symbol you have to write and add. 3 plus 2, 5. So what answer you got it? X power minus 5 you got it. But RHS how much is given? X power minus 6 is given. So LHS is x power minus 5, RHS is given as x power minus 6. LHS is not equals to RHS. So it is false. Means the student who done, that Rakesh is there, na, he done wrong. So justify means what you have to do? You have to write procedure. You have to solve the problem. That's it. Okay. Like this you have to do remaining, and if you have any doubt, say me. In next class we'll start another chapter. Write fair notes perfectly. Do these problems also you have to write, worksheets also you have to write it. Okay, thank you.